What's up, y'all? It's DMV Computer Man. So today I'm gonna show you how to test your computer when it's not getting a charge and how to determine what could be the issue. So today I have a Toshiba laptop. One of my techs assumed it was a bad charging port, so I wanted to go in and verify. So the way to do so is you're gonna have to get your multimeter. You want to turn it to the voltage point, and you want to find your black and your red ribbons, find the contact points, and then you just want to test those contact points for 19 volts. Before you do any of that though, you want to test the charger. So you can do the same thing by taking these contact points, testing the outer part with the inner part, and seeing if you get 19 volts from the charger. If you're getting the volts from the charger, now you want to test your charging port. If you're getting it from the charging port, then you will proceed to putting that port back into the computer and testing the port plugged into the laptop to see if it's a motherboard. So that's just a quick tutorial video on how to go about checking that. And if you don't have these things, you can pick them up from like a local hardware store like Home Depot to test these items. Thanks for watching the video. If this helps you figure out a problem you're having at home or in your office, leave a like, leave a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.